Hello friends, we are going to start new topic, that is the amines. As usual, for every topic we have started a new topic with the introductory part. So today also we are going to start with the first point, that is the introduction. In that introductory part we will discuss what is mean by that amines. So simply we can say that as we know that ammonia means NH3. This is the ammonia. In that ammonia, one or more, as we know that here nitrogen, hydrogen, three hydrogen atoms are there. Out of these three hydrogen atoms, one or more than one hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl or aryl group. For example, here, if this H is replaced by CH3, then its structure will be CH3 hydrogen hydrogen. Means here nitrogen with the two hydrogen and one alkyl group. This is the structure of ammonia, but this is not of the ammonia. This is of the amine. Hope so everyone understood that what is the difference between ammonia and amine. So basically we can say that these amines are derived from the ammonia by replacement of the one or more hydrogen atoms. If one hydrogen is replaced, then we can say that this is the amine. If two hydrogen atoms are replaced, then C1 is by the C2H5, third one is as it is. And if any aryl group is replacing this one, C6H5 we are writing here, means by benzene ring, then we can say that this is the another one amine. In this only one hydrogen atom is replaced. Here two hydrogen atoms are replaced of the ammonia by the alkyl group. Here out of these three hydrogen atom, one is replaced by the aryl while remaining two are replaced by the alkyl group. So basically now proper definition we will write here. So here hope so everyone understood that what is meant by amines. So for the notes purpose you can continue with me. Amines are the organic compounds. Amines are the organic compounds which are derived from ammonia, by replacing one or more hydrogen atom. From ammonia we are replacing one or more hydrogen atoms by one or more alkyl group, or we can say that aryl group also. So listen carefully. Amines are the organic compounds which are derived from ammonia by replacing one or more hydrogen atom of ammonia by one or more alkyl or aryl group. So this is the definition of the amines. In that if we consider the definition example, we can say that here we will draw the structure of ammonia also, and along with that we will write the example. Ammonia, now see here another one example, CH3 and here hydrogen. That also can be written as a nitrogen, CH3, hydrogen and here CH3. Okay, that I have written only in this format. So you can prefer this way or this way. First point is there or first lecture is there. That's why I am discussing with you by replacing two hydrogen atom by the alkyl group. That's why I have written this structure in this way. Now see here. Another one example we will discuss, that is of the aniline. When, as we know that benzene ring means simply when that 6-membered ring with the alternate double bond is there, we are calling it as a benzene. When OH group is attached, it is called as a phenol. When to that benzene ring CH3 group is attached, it is called as a anisole. And here now we have drawn or we have written NH2. So this is the structure of the aniline. Means here these are the examples of the ammonia. So यहाँ पे हो गया introductory part. Now I want to discuss with you that means some amines are there which are very important in our day-to-day life also. So which are these examples? I will tell you right now. So which are these important examples? See, first one, as we know that Novocaine, which is that example? Novocaine. If we consider that Novocaine, this is the amine which is used as a anesthetic, which is used as a anesthetic by dentist. Means it is used as an anesthesia, we can say that, by the dentist. As we know that when there is a root canal or anything is there regarding that our teeth, then they are using as an anesthesia, that is the Novocaine. It is very important for the objective point of view. And other two are very important amines are there which are biological important, means they having role, they increases the blood pressure. So what is their role, or what their role is, increases the blood pressure. So which are these two are there that we will discuss here. So their name is adrenaline, and second one is that ephedrine. So these are the two, or we can say that these are the two biologically active amines which increases the blood pressure. So here we can say that we have completed the introductory part regarding this topic, but keep in mind that these are the two very important. Sometimes objective point, you will say that ma'am, introductory part is there and then also important. Yes, because these two names are there of the amines, examples of the amines are there which are very important. In this topic, we are also going to discuss the diazonium salt, which are very useful to prepare the different organic compounds. So thank you all of you.